Hi, my name is Joye Hancock. I needed several projects done. I live in a 100-year-old house and I had needed to do some updating. And so I thought about Homestead Industries and called to see if they could take care of these problems. It was very frustrating because I knew what I wanted, but I could visualize it, but I couldn't get it done by myself, and had a hard time making others see what I wanted. Well, I called and set up a time, and then Tommy came and we talked about what I needed to have done, and he said, I understand, and I felt like he did, and we set up a time and he came and got started, and I was just very pleased at the way he was able to get here so quickly and get started. But aesthetically, they are so much better, and I have more storage, and he solved several different problems for me, so that makes it easier to live in my old home. I am so happy now with the things that he got done, and the way they got done, and it just makes my home so much more pleasant. He built this shelving behind me here to match another set that he had done earlier in my home, and he built in a closet for me, which I desperately needed, and finished a ceiling for me before we ever moved in. He did a ceiling for me using the judges panel, which I love. Everybody that comes in notices and loves the things that I've had done.